Today we'll talk about how can you select command order on your backup. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just click on account here. When you click on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down. So then all you have to do, you just click on command in here as community. Sorry, you click here on command order. Sorry, you click here on command order here. Then here can you select command order if you want to add most interesting or all this or noise. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.